everyone. I am going to talk to you today about the Friends apartment set. And this will be in memory of Matthew Perry, Chandler Bing. We like watching Friends. We still watch Friends. And I'm wearing my Friends t-shirt today. Just like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. And this is the Friends apartment. There is Chandler and Joey in their barking loungers. And the canoe and the chicken. Canoe from one episode that they got robbed from a guy. The duck is right there. There's Janice. There is the foosball table that they play. Some newspapers, some pizza boxes, the yellow couch, the dog that Joey bought when he moved out. And then you come into the hallway. There is another scene here from an episode with the cheesecake. And you come in here. This is Monica and Rachel's apartment. There is that famous picture frame. There is Monica in the kitchen. Ross. There is Ross. The chicken. Phoebe's dollhouse. On fire. It caught on fire in one episode. There is Phoebe painting and Rachel. Phoebe is painting this scary picture. And there is the window, that big window. Monica's room, Rachel's room. The cat that scratched Ross, and the poking stick from one episode. And there you go. I liked building it, and it was a very, very good build. There was, of course, a lot of purple or lavender in it for the girls' apartment. And they do lay back. Just like that. And then you build like these floors and put them inside. And these, like, they come out like that. Like, you build this whole thing. And then set it down and set it down inside there. Just like that. There you go. Have a good day. Bye.